Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to T's Health and Fitness Lounge. If you've ever experienced that post-workout soreness that makes even simple tasks feel like a Herculean effort, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 tips that will help you conquer muscle soreness and stiffness like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, these strategies will make a world of difference in how you feel after your workouts. So, before you reach for that ice pack and cancel your next gym session, stick around because we've got the secrets to help you bounce back stronger and more energized than ever. Let's get started. 1. Proper warm-up and cool down. One of the most common mistakes people make is diving straight into their workouts without giving their muscles a chance to prepare. Think of your muscles as a rubber band. When they're cold and tight, they're more prone to injury. That's where our first tip comes in, the proper warm-up and cool down. Before you jump into your main workout, take a few minutes to gradually increase your heart rate and circulation. Simple dynamic stretches, like jogging, or even jumping jacks can do the trick. This not only loosens up your muscles but also sends a signal to your body that it's time to work. And don't forget the cool down. After your workout, take another few minutes to bring your heart rate back down gradually with static stretches. This helps flush out lactic acid buildup and prevent stiffness. So, remember, a little warm-up and cool down can go a long way in keeping those muscles happy and ready for action. 2. Hydration and nutrition. Now that we've covered the importance of preparing your muscles, let's talk about what fuels them. Proper hydration and nutrition play a significant role in preventing muscle soreness. Water is your body's best friend when it comes to recovery. Staying hydrated helps transport nutrients to your muscles and flush out waste products that can lead to soreness. Additionally, your body needs the right nutrients to repair and grow muscle tissue. Make sure to consume a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and essential vitamins and minerals. If you're working out intensely, consider a post-workout snack or shake that includes protein and carbohydrates to kickstart the recovery process. So, remember to drink up and nourish your body properly for optimal muscle health. 3. Gradual progression. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of fitness and push yourself too hard, too fast. But here's the key to preventing muscle soreness: gradual progression. Instead of jumping straight into heavy weights or intense workouts, start with a routine that matches your current fitness level. Slowly increase the intensity, duration, or weight as your body adapts. This not only helps you build strength more effectively but also reduces the risk of muscle strain and soreness. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are strong, resilient muscles. So, whether you're lifting weights or hitting the pavement for a run, take it one step at a time, and your muscles will thank you for it. 4. Rest and recovery. Now, let's talk about a crucial but often overlooked aspect of preventing muscle soreness: rest and recovery. It might be tempting to push yourself to the limit every day, but your muscles need time to repair and grow stronger. That's where adequate rest comes into play. Make sure to schedule rest days into your workout routine to give your muscles a chance to recover. During these days, focus on activities that promote relaxation, such as gentle stretching or yoga. Sleep is another essential component of recovery. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to heal and rejuvenate. Neglecting rest and recovery can lead to overtraining and increased muscle soreness, so remember that it's okay to take a break. Your muscles will thank you for it. 5. Foam rolling and stretching. Our final tip to combat muscle soreness and stiffness is all about self-care through foam rolling and stretching. After an intense workout, your muscles can become tight and knotted. Foam rolling is like giving your muscles a massage. Roll over different muscle groups slowly, applying gentle pressure to release tension and improve blood flow. It can be a bit uncomfortable at first, but it's incredibly effective at reducing soreness. Additionally, incorporating static stretching into your routine, especially during your cool down, can help improve flexibility and prevent muscle tightness. Target areas that you've worked during your workout, holding each stretch for about 15-30 seconds. By adding foam rolling and stretching to your post-workout routine, you'll promote muscle recovery and alleviate that post-exercise discomfort, leaving you feeling more limber and ready for your next session. In conclusion, these 5 tips can be game changers in your fitness journey, helping you prevent muscle soreness and stiffness after your workouts. But remember, knowledge alone isn't enough. You've got to put it into practice. To make it easier for you, we've included additional resources, exercise routines, and links in the description below. So, Don't forget to click on that description, explore the valuable information we've provided, and start implementing these strategies. Your body will thank you, and you'll be well on your way to a more comfortable and rewarding fitness experience. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others who could benefit from these tips. Together, let's make our fitness journeys smoother, stronger, and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.